Hi, I'm Jane Gates. I work at Gates & Croft Horticultural Design, which is my design company, and we work on landscape designs. I'm also the author of All the Garden's a Stage. That's my new book from Schiffer Press. And today I'm here to talk to you about this little guy here. This is a red fountain grass, and we're going to talk about how to prune or how to cut back red fountain grass. And it's best done in the autumn. What you'll find is this plant, which has this beautiful burgundy colored foliage. If you don't cut it back, what you'll end up with, and you see that in this example, is a lot of these older leaves that kind of turn a bit brown, straw colory, not quite as pretty. And it kind of, well, it diminishes that really, really strong punch of burgundy, deep red color that this plant has to offer in the border, in the garden. So what you want to do is cut it back. Usually the best time to do it is any time from late autumn to early, well, maybe midwinter. By the end of winter, you'll usually find the new sprouts will start coming up. And since you really want to cut this down, and you can use, to make it easy, you can get your shears all tangled in the plant. Or you can use a nice hand clipper, which will chop it straight back very easily, or you can hand cut it. I really don't think buzzsawing it is necessary, but people will do anything. The game that you want to do is you want to cut it all back to somewhere between 6 inches, about here, to 12 inches, about here. And as you see all this dead stuff, which just pulls out fairly easily. This stuff will be gone. What happens is then your new shoots, and here's an example of a new shoot coming up, will grow up nice and neatly in between, turn deep dark red, and you'll have a nice, beautiful fountain of red grass, which is exactly what red fountain grass should look like. So do cut it back in the autumn or the winter, and you'll grow up with a beautiful plant. You'll have a really handsome plant by the springtime. That's how it's called Pennisetum. It's a rubrum, and it's a nice looking plant in the garden. It'll add color year round. And of course, if you want any more information, I've got lots of information on my website at gardengates.info.